today we're doing the Art of Mardi Gras today. It's filled with some activities like illuminating lights, wheel and axle. Some of our K2 is going to be doing some edible circuits, some pan flutes. And our big build today is going to be our Mardi Gras floats. Every child will go away building their own Mardi Gras float.
We took a battery and a light bulb, and then we took these and put this in.
In this flask, I have luminol and potassium hydroxide, and we have hydrogen peroxide and ferrocyanide.
It's already done. It is extremely important to support STEM NOLA through NOTCF because it gives so many students and so many young ages an opportunity to be exposed, to learn, and to understand and gain an interest in the STEM occupations. This makes me feel great because this is our third consecutive year supporting STEM NOLA, Art of Mardi Gras, and each year there have been hundreds of students, parents, guardians that have been here participating and then taking this opportunity to continue to be a part of STEM NOLA so that they continue to grow from grade to grade. I mean, we're talking all the way to college. So this program is very instrumental in growing and fostering our youth.